If you were to choose one type of earbuds as your sport headphones, which one would you choose? I believe most people would choose two kinds of headphones, over-ear or bone conduction headphones, because they are not as easy to drop in sports as other headphones. But most headphones with ear hooks are in-ear style, uncomfortable to wear for a long time, and some people are not satisfied with the sound quality of bone conduction headphones. One Audio has designed an open-ear wireless headphones, OpenRock Pro, which is a good solution to the problem of wearing and sound quality in sports. When you purchase OpenRock Pro, you will receive a box like this. In addition to the earbuds, there's a charging cable and a few instructions, nothing special. Let's take a look at the design of the OpenRock Pro, which I'd actually think is quite nice. There are bumpy strap-like patterns on both sides, and the stronger friction allows you to grip it more firmly. The case of OpenRock Pro is bigger than normal earbuds because it has more ear hook structure than normal earbuds. While we can't say it's small, it's certainly more compact than other over-ear earbuds. Because the two earbuds are placed vertically, not only can the case be made smaller, but it's also easier for you to take it out. At the bottom are the LED indicator, pairing button, and Type-C charging port. I think its case is well designed. If you often browse the various over-ear earbuds on Amazon, you should agree with me. Compared to the case, the design of earbuds is much more ordinary. The overall color scheme is silver and black, and the shape looks like the letter E with the tail cut off. There's a crescent-shaped LED light next to the logo. There's a small button on the bottom to control the volume, play, and pause. Look closely at this ear hook part. In fact, there are some special designs. This middle part is made of silicone, which has a certain kind of remodeling. It means that you can adjust the position of the ear hook to make it fit to your ears better. So why you need OpenRock Pro? Because I think it is the best headphones for sport people. First, it is ear hooks earbuds, which are the most firm type of headphones to wear. No matter how I shake, earbuds will not fall off. Basically, all the main sport headphones are ear hooked earbuds, which also shows that this is the most suitable design. Second, the sound quality is good. Why bone conduction headphones are also firm on ears, but some people still don't like it? That's because its sound quality is not good enough. As a speaker voicing headphones, the OpenRock Pro has relatively good sound quality. aptX decoding protocol and tube bass technology allows the OpenRock Pro sounds better than a lot of sport headphones. The advantage of the larger size earbuds is that you can put larger speakers in, and the 16.2mm dynamic driver is almost 2 or 3 times the size of regular earbuds. Since the drawback of non-in-ear is poor sound insulation, so the noisier the environment, the harder it is to hear the music. But I think for sport headphones, this is not a problem that needs to be solved. For a person in outdoor sports, listening to the environment sound is the most important thing. After all, safety first. Third, it is comfortable to wear. The non-ear design keeps it from hurting your ears even when you are in sports. Even with my glasses on, it doesn't pinch my ears. It may be difficult to wear these open-ear earbuds for the first time. There's a tutorial card in the box, so follow it and you will be familiar with how to wear them soon. After my introduction, you should have a general impression of OpenRock Pro. Next, let's take a look at the performance in testing. First of all, the latency of OpenRock Pro is not high, but not low either. It's fine for watching videos or TikTok, but whether it can play games like PUBG or not, I can't say for sure. You can judge it for yourself. Hello. This is a call test of OpenRock Pro. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there are 3 keys on the tree. Let's try them later. That's all for this video. I think OpenRock Pro is suitable for 3 types of people. Firstly, people who like sports and have a high requirement for sound quality, which is their main selling point. The second is people who have ear diseases or special ear shape. Open ear plus ear hooks is your best choice. The last is the people who need to wear the headset for a long time, such as Uber Eats driver. 19 hours of battery life is enough to support you for a whole day. If you meet the above needs, then OpenRock Pro is worth buying. I'm Will from Business from China. See you next time.